Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Financial Ratio Analysis Spreadsheet. Right, so I've finished the total stockholders' equity, which is based on the preferred stock, common stock, paid-in capital in excess of par and retained earnings. So the next step I need to do is to calculate the total liabilities and the stockholders' equity. Here's how to do that. This will require an if statement. €553. So we're good so far. Now the next step is to calculate the reconciliation of TA and TL divided by C. Yeah, total assets, which is TA, total liabilities, which is TL, and stockholders' equity is SSE. That's very good so far. That's the balance sheet now fully completed as it ends with end of year stock price. We are now going to the ratio analysis section where I have to calculate the current ratio and the quick ratio. Divide B27 by B56. Now this will be an if statement again. That's very good. Okay, quick ratio is the next step. Yeah, this will be an if statement. That's very good. Right, let's move on and let's go and calculate the inventory turnover. Right, this requires an if statement once again. And next thing is to calculate the average calculation period. That's very good. 24.96, 35 and 30 cents, and 33.88 for the average collection period. Right, so now we'll calculate the fixed asset turnover. Right, next one is total asset turnover. So far, so good. This is great. It's very interesting to learn all this sort of stuff. Technical, but very, very good. So let's calculate the debt ratio. If statement. Now we're going to debt to equity. If statement. That's very good. Times interest earned will be the next step to calculate in this financial ratio. Well, gross profit margin will be the next step. If statement once again. percentages answer. So next one will be operating profit margin. 5.67%. Okay, net profit margin will be the next step. 3.47%. Okay, so return on total assets will be the next. So 'kay, the return on equity will be the next. Okay, earnings per share. Here's how to calculate the earnings per share. If statement. Okay, so I'll stop here and then continue from the next video and go on to D-point analysis, which will talk about more sales and net profits and return of equities and assets. So stay tuned, have a good evening, wash your hands, stay safe, and I hope you all have a good, pleasant evening. See you all very soon. Adios.